Bring texture, movement, and year-round interest to your garden with grasses. Whether in full sun or shade, there's perfect grass for every space, adding contrast, structure, and a natural rhythm to your garden. For sunny spots, miscanthus offer elegant silvery edges and feathery plumes in autumn, while carex varieties add contrast with bold bronze tones. In shadier areas, liriope and mondo grass provide lush, low-maintenance ground covers, perfect for those tricky-to-full spaces. Grasses are incredibly versatile. Use them as hedges, along pathways, or in meadow-like borders. Frame focal points like sculptures or fountains, complement water features, or even stabilize slopes. Their gentle movement adds a tranquil feel to any space. They are easy to plant and even easier to maintain. Prepare the soil with compost and a slow-release fertilizer. Space plants appropriately and mulch well to suppress weeds. Water regularly at first, then let nature take the lead. A trim in early spring keeps them neat. But grasses aren't just for looks. They prevent soil erosion, enrich the soil, and create vital habitats. Their seeds feed birds and the foliage shelter small wildlife, while the roots improve soil health. And those tall, feathery plumes in vases make unique dried arrangements for your home. From garden beds to grasslands, these plants shape landscapes and bring life to outdoor spaces. Find a variety of grasses at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate one near you.